Okay, what about a Sara Duterte presidency? Because some sectors are also saying change must happen, government must correct itself, but we should make sure that there should be no more Duterte in government. Oh, so ikaw, anong basa mo naman?
Sino ba yung nagsasabi na no more Duterte?
Maraming ganun. Sa mga protest ganito
gusto lang,
may DDS,
gusto din
may
naman,
church, at saka syempre yung left, di ba?
Gusto din naman lang kasi sila mag-presidente. Alam nyo, di ba demokrasya ito? Di ba ito padamihan ng boto? Oh, galit kayo kay Sara Duterte kasi hindi nyo talaga kaya. Kahit anong gawin nyo, anong ginawa ngayon ng mga congressman. Pinasa ang budget niya without any question. Courtesy na daw. Hindi mo kung ano kayo ka. Mga balimbing kayo. Lapangan 2027 lalaro na kayo kasi baka sakaling magpresidente yari kayo.
That's how you read it?
Yeah.
Na pumapwesto na para nakita na nila na nawala na ng poder.
Parliamentary courtesy. Bull. Yung impeachment nyo. Yung mga quadcom nyo dyan, mga tawag ng tao, tuwadcom. Alam mo, no other institution of government is so vilified by the people than this House of Representatives. Ang hirap talaga.
Representatives. I caught your word.
Tao, wala na talaga silang dangal. Nakakahiya na. Ginoo ko, nakakahiya na. Parang, ano ba yan? Parang ayoko na mag-congressman. Parang, if you have any sense of decency at all, stop! Stop your kickbacks! Di pa kayo nahiya yan yung mga apo nyo, mga ano nyo, nadadamay yan? Stop it! Kaya gusto nyo lang, not another Duterte. Bakit? Gusto nyo? Iba? Sino? Sino ang gusto nyo? Sige, I will answer you, but you answer me now. Sino bang gusto nyo para alam ko rin kung sino ang boboto ko? Wag. Si Bam Aquino? Not another Aquino. Sabi nyo, wala nang dilawan.
Sino?
Si Sharon Cuneta. Pwede, di ba?
Yung marami talagang ayaw ng Sara Duterte presidency.
Sinong marami?
Marami niyan. Ang dami nagsasabi, syempre, yung mga kaalaban.
Pero
yung mga pro-impeachment.
Diba? Ikaw na rin nagsabi, pag eleksyonin natin ngayon, tanalo si Sara.
Would that be a bad thing to happen?
Why should it be a bad thing?
Because they're saying that much of the theft happened during the time of the Duterte administration.
Then put it there in the investigation. Where is it?
Well, ICI pa lang mag-e-establish na. But we're saying, di ba, moving forward, parang are we going to vote the same people in government na nakikita ng araw na I'm just mouthing what people are saying.
Hanapan nyo naman ng corruption ng mga Duterte na hindi nyo muna unahin itong mga congressman ngayon na sure na meron ng mga contractors at engineers na sinusuka na yung alam nila. May witness kayo dyan against Bulong Duterte, why not? Ilagay nyo dyan sa investigation commission nyo. No one should be spared. Di ba? Pero yung Pulong got 51 billion. How much did Romualdez get? Right? But do you trace any flood control funds in his name? Wala, di ba? Except sabi ni Meow Congressman Kiko Barsaga na wala naman daw baha doon sa Dasmariñas for 20 years. Biglang siya ang caretaker, si Romualdez, ay may flood control funds na ang district ni Pids Barsaga. Sama ko rin yun, Mayor. Sabi ko sa 3 na lang kaming buhay. I was the youngest.
Do you think that something will come out of this? Yung talagang real change that's palpable, that's visible.
Number one, dapat yung investigation niya, tuloy niya. So, sama niya si Romualdez kasi, bakit si Saldico lang? Hindi naman gagawin yun ni Saldico kung wala yung boss niya. Di ba? Na bibisigahan lahat at kasuhan lahat. Maganda na yung ginawa ni Secretary Dizon sa DPWH, pinasuhan niya sila. At ng mga engineer doon. Yung lifestyle check niya is really for the purpose of gathering evidence. Di ba? Sa customs. Bakit hindi niya rin tingnan ng customs? Bakit? Meron ba tayong mga friends yan sa customs na hindi natin pwedeng galawin? Customs.
Parang nagpapahiwatig ka na meron siya mga
friends. So, ang ko lang, kung talagang seryoso ang presidente, gawin niya sa lahat ng agencies of government. Kasama na ang customs.
So, hindi lang DPWH?
Hindi.
Pero malawakan masyado yan. Kailan natin makikita yan? Well,
3 taon pa naman eh. Kaya pa niya.
Kaya pa yan?
Isang utos lang yan. Kita mo, isang utos niya lang. Di palit na speaker. Sabi daw mga congressman, we reiterate our support for the leadership of Romualdez, sabi ng Negros Occidental congressman, except the 2 congressmen Benitez, Javi and Albi. Sa isip-isip ko, parang nakalimutan ng mga ito na si BBM ang naglagay sa inyo dyan. Hindi ba BBM money kinampanya nyo dyan against Lenny? Kalimutan nyo na. Kaya I came out in Negros, Digicast, na I support the call of Congressman Albi Benitez to end corruption in the country. Diba? Sabi na, si Rowena Gonzalo, pag naupo yan, mamarakot din yan. Hindi, iupo mo ako. Tingnan natin. Diba? Kaya nga ako ayaw pa upuin ni Romualdez eh. Alam niya. Maaga pa siguro ako naka-privilege speech dahil alam ko na yung 3%. Kaya anong gagawin niyo sa akin pag sinabi ko? Sumi, privilege lahat ang sasabihin ko dyan during a session. Kahit sabihin ko, kawatan kayo lahat dito maybe they'll call a recess, but I already said it. But I like this meow-meow congressman.
Bakit?
He's satire eh. Sabi nila, he's unwell.
But he's been, dismissed as somebody with some mental illness.
He is unwell, he's ganyan-ganyan. Nah, he's not sick. He's creative. This is his form of protest. It's satire. I'm running for speaker against Romualdez, sabi niya.
Anong punto niya? Nagpapabida lang ba siya? Or meron ba siyang punto? Kasi kung may punto siya, hindi pa natin alam kung anong punto
No,
niya.
it's a form of protest. Well, it's a figure of speech. What he is doing is performing arts. I want to meet him actually on Monday. I already told somebody, tell him I want to meet him. I want to have a video with him.
Do you think he's serious?
No, he's not. It's satire.
Pero well, he doesn't look like he's satirically serious.
And he doesn't care because you people don't vote for him. It's his district who vote for him. And wala siyang kalaban doon. Kasi matagal na silang entrenched doon. Pero ako, buti na lang, may meow-meow ako na congressman sa Cavite. Buti na lang, my friend Pids produced a son like this. I mean, you gotta be...
You don't think he's turning in his grave, ha?
You gotta be a little cuckoo to go against Romualdez. Di ba? I mean, in the house. Pero, it's a figure of speech. They're just saying is, siraulo, chuchuchuchuchucha. Kayo, hindi kayo siraulo, mga kawatan lang kayo. Ganon.
Do you agree that you're too independent? Is there even such a thing as being too independent?
I am very independent.
Maybe
galit sila sa akin ngayon. Bakit daw yung impeachment ni Sara, anti-impeachment ako? Ano ba ako, uto-uto? Sasabihan ni Romualdez, impeach nyo yan si Sara. Ako, susunod din sa kanya. Ano ko, uto-uto? Tapos ngayon, tama ako, di ba? Tama ako.
Why were you against it?
Walang due process. Exactly what the Supreme Court said.
Can you explain to us why you said
tapos ngayon,
you are not for the impeachment? Ano yung due process na hindi nila
sinabi nga ng Supreme Court. Biro mo yun? Wala man committee. It did not even pass. There was no Committee on Justice. Did not even meet. Nagpirmahan lang sila. Ano yun? Ano yung pirmahan nyo dun? Tapos yung nagpirmahan daw kayo mga congressman, may ano daw kayo, may balato or exchange in hundreds of millions of ayuda there. Kung hindi pa naman kayo mga corrupt. Tapos sasabihin nyo si Sara, ganyan, magnanakaw, mas malaki kayong magnanakaw eh. Kasi dati ako commission on audit na commissioner. Sa akin yung confidential fund, na 125 million ng Office of the President, kung mali ang pag-liquidate niya, COA will determine that. And that has a process. It's part of due process.
So yung mga Mary Grace Piatos,
kayo,
yung
gusto
mga yan,
nyo agad,
diba?
impeach nyo as betrayal of public trust, kayo lang nag-i-interpret yan? Worse. Wala pa committee, walang committee, procedure,
rules daw nila yun. Rules nila
she was
yun,
not
diba?
even given a copy of the petition. It's exactly what the Supreme Court said. Tapos sabihin nila, DDS daw ako. Kayo. Tingnan nyo lahat ng kampanya ni Lenny. Sinong party list nominee nandun sa stage? Iba ko lang? Tanga kayo eh. Gusto nyo talaga, gusto nyo lang manalo yung party list nyo, kaya ginanon-ganon nyo ako.
Pero sabi nila,
I'm very independent. I'm very independent. Kaya, So sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako pinaupo ni Romualdez. Pues, I was saved. Sabi nga namin ng mga P3 board, we were blessed. Ako.
Because if you had been allowed to sit what? You would
Dalawa
be
lang
able
ang
to
mangyayari.
speak out like
Number one, maaga ko pa siyang binulgar. Or number two, baka nagkautang na loob pa ko sa kanya. Napaupuin mo lang ako, sa iyo kami, ganyan. Kaya ako, ang P3PWD, representative ang zero kickback. Kasi hindi pinaupo ni Romualdez.
Okay, what do you think will happen now that, Martin Romualdez is not speaker anymore and Congressman Bogie D, is going to be taking his
Well,
place?
Sandro Marcos and his groups, since their loyalty is to BBM, that his term he will succeed as president, they have to reform. They have to reform the House of Representatives. They have to have a drastic reform in the preparation of the budget, and they should police their ranks. Ako, kaya yun ni Sandro, he looks soft and all that, but kaya mo yun, Sandro. Be the leader that you are supposed to be.
What's he supposed to do? What's he supposed to do?
Sasabihin niya sa mga kaibigan niya, mga kong, ha? Wala nang kickbackan ngayon, ha? Galit na tatay ko, umiyak na tatay ko, eh. Wala nang kickbackan. Wala na.
But that's like admitting na may kickbackan nga
admit naman nila yun. May kickbackan talaga sila.
But what about the ongoing investigations? How should that now be heard? Na wala na si Speaker. Do you think that it should change radically? Even committee chairmanships should those change?
Well, you expect Speaker D to change. Change even the Secretary General. Kasi yung Secretary General na yan, tao yan ni Romualdez, eh. Walang reforms dyan magagawa si D kung yung Secretary General yan pa rin si Velasco. Di ba? Kaya nga mali-mali yung impeachment ni VP Sara, dahil si Velasco hindi marunong. So, palitan niya yan. Dapat palitan niya yan ng hindi rin tao ni Romualdez. Kasi pag pinalitan niya rin ng tao din ni Romualdez, para na rin siya, tao rin siya ni Romualdez, di ba? Kailangan naman, seryosoy naman ni Congressman D itong role niya as President BBM's champion. He's the President's champion. He's the whip. Di ba? So you all toe the line. Walang kickbackan. Na lang. Mr. Speaker, the people will not put up with this. Imagine the next 3 years when every week you will have rallies. Imagine that. Imagine that scenario when other countries like Korea will no longer lend money to the Philippines. They will no longer send aid because our congressmen will just pocket it anyway. Because we have weak government institutions. And therefore, they will demand. Ba? Yung 1.08 billion na mga flood control funds yun, that's for climate change, climate change related funding yun, ha? Kaya, all over the world, di ba may mga treaties on climate change? Ano sasabihin nila? Yung Pilipinas? Pilipinas, huwag niyong bigyan dyan ng mga funds na aid or grants for climate change. May pera naman pala. The
so far-reaching effects talaga to, no? Global.
You always look at you always look at geopolitics.
Right.
Hindi na pwede ito. So hindi na pwede na si Bongbong Marcos when he goes to the ASEAN, very soon, meron na naman ASEAN, these other leaders will look at him that, this man is weak.
So what are his prospects going forward? Especially 2028 and beyond? Pati yung Marcos name. And what if Sara Duterte wins? Because that's what pundits are also saying. At this point, mukhang if elections were held
She's the woman to beat.
Hi everyone, every two, every three.
Pundits are also saying, at this point, mukhang if elections were held. So what are his prospects going forward? Especially 2028 and beyond? Pati yung yung Marcos name. And what if Sara Duterte wins? Because that's what pundits are also saying. At this point, mukhang if elections were held
She's
now,
the woman to beat. Ano natin? 3 years, si BBM, he still has time to reform. Diba? So, kung nilagay bagong speaker dyan, make sure na may marching orders yan na tunay for reform. Diba? Yung mga senador, mostly they're on their own. You know? Pero, ang ano ko, they say have 3 years. Yes. Eh, kung ang gusto niya, priority bills. Oh, priority bills ko. Reform amend the party list system. Pass the anti-dynasty law. Oh, pass the zero infrastructure budget for districts. Oh, change reform the term, shorten the term of the representatives in the House of Reps. Oh, mga ganun. Make a permanent commission on anti-corruption like Indonesia. Oh, di ba? Sabi niya, may ombudsman, may prosecution yun eh. Yung investigation commission na ilalagay mo dyan na hindi natuloy during GMA's time. It was supposed to be Chief Justice Davides, hindi natuloy. Yung mga ganun, yung mga reforms na pagka 3 years sasabihin natin, ay salamat. Salamat naman at itong eleksyon na itong 2028 ay talagang the will of the people. The will of the people dahil wala nang vote buying.